Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Emma, got a minute?
Hey Alex. Yeah, what's up?
I've been thinking about how to help kids learn English. Got any tips?
Oh, definitely. Kids learn best when they're having fun.
For sure. Like using games and songs, right?
Exactly. Kids love singing along to songs. It's a great way to pick up new words.
Yeah, and games can make learning feel like playtime. Got any favorite games?
I love Simon Says. It's perfect for teaching action words and listening skills.
Oh, that's a good one. And how about storybooks? Kids love stories.
Totally. Reading together can help kids learn new vocabulary and improve their pronunciation.
Right. Plus, it's a great bonding time. What kind of books do you recommend?
Simple ones with lots of pictures. Like The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Classic. And kids can learn words like hungry and caterpillar.
Exactly. And they can act out the story too. Makes it more interactive.
That's brilliant. And what about using everyday situations?
Oh, for sure. Like, talking about what you're doing. We're going to the park. Do you want to come?
Yeah, that's great. Keeps it practical and relevant to their lives.
Definitely. And repetition is key. Kids need to hear words a lot to remember them.
Right. So, using the same phrases daily can really help.
Exactly. Hey, why did the teddy bear say no to dessert?
Dunno, why?
'Cause he was stuffed.
Haha, good one. Jokes are fun for kids too. They help with language and make them laugh.
Totally. Laughter makes learning more enjoyable.
For sure. Let's keep sharing ideas and helping kids learn English.
Absolutely. This is great, Alex. Let's catch up again soon.
You bet. See you later.
See ya.
So Emma, what do you think about using tech to teach kids English?
Oh, it's awesome. There are so many great apps and websites for kids.
Yeah, like those with interactive stories and games.
Exactly. Kids can learn while they play. It's like sneaking veggies into their favorite dish.
Haha, nice analogy. Any apps you recommend?
I love A Beak Mouse. It's super engaging and covers a lot of topics.
Oh, I've heard of that one. And Duolingo has a kids version too, right?
Yup. It's really good for beginners.
That's great. And what about videos? Like on YouTube?
Oh, definitely. Channels like Super Simple Songs are fantastic for kids.
Yeah, their songs are catchy and educational.
Exactly. And kids can watch them over and over, which helps with repetition.
For sure. What do you think about language immersion?
Oh, it's one of the best ways to learn. Surrounding kids with English in their daily life is super effective.
Yeah, like labeling things around the house in English.
Exactly. Or having a no native language hour where you only speak English.
That's a cool idea. And parents can join in too, making it a family activity.
Definitely. Learning together makes it more fun and less intimidating.
For sure. And it's a great way to bond.
Absolutely. Hey, got another joke?
Always. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
Dunno, why?
'Cause they make up everything.
Haha, classic. Jokes are such a fun way to learn new words.
Totally. And they make kids laugh, which is always a good thing.
For sure. Let's keep sharing these tips and tricks. We're on a roll.
Definitely. This is really helpful, Emma.
Glad to hear it, Alex. Let's keep at it.
You bet. So, Emma, do you think it's helpful for kids to learn English with friends?
Oh, definitely. Learning with friends makes it more social and fun.
Yeah, like having English playdates where they speak only in English.
Exactly. And they can play games or do activities in English.
For sure. It's like learning without even realizing it.
Totally. Plus, friends can motivate each other. It's like having a study buddy.
Yeah, and they can help correct each other's mistakes in a friendly way.
Exactly. Peer learning is super effective.
What about using rewards to motivate kids?
Oh, for sure. Rewards can be a great motivator, like stickers or small treats.
Yeah, a reward system can make learning feel like a game.
Totally. And it encourages them to keep going and improving.